I'm about to share something most people don't know. There's a secret Amazon loophole that could completely change the way you make money online. This isn't the usual affiliate advice you've heard a million times. It's a method hidden in plain sight. And once you understand it, it can help you earn commissions much faster than normal. This Amazon affiliate hack is completely legal, completely ethical, and works even if you've never made a single dollar online. You don't need to run ads, have a social media following, or create complicated funnels. All you need is to understand the process and apply it correctly. I first discovered this secret Amazon loophole while testing various affiliate strategies. I noticed that some clicks and purchases were tracking differently. The commissions were higher than expected. I thought it was a glitch. It wasn't. It was the loophole, and it completely changed the way I thought about affiliate marketing. Most affiliates focus on products, trends, or keywords, and that's why they struggle. This Amazon affiliate hack focuses on timing, leverage, and understanding how Amazon's tracking system works. You don't need traffic from social media or a large following. You just need to know how to take advantage of this loophole. Amazon doesn't hide this completely. It's in their terms and conditions, buried where almost nobody looks. But once you connect the dots, it becomes clear. This secret Amazon loophole has been sitting there for years, waiting for the people who actually pay attention. People always ask me why more affiliates aren't using it. The answer is simple: most people never take the time to read, learn, and understand. They follow trends or copy what others are doing. Those who discover this Amazon affiliate hack quietly make money while the majority struggles. This loophole isn't about selling high-ticket products. It works best with regular, everyday items people already buy. The strategy and process matter far more than the product. You could apply this method to books, electronics, or home goods. The results still happen. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't even need a website in some cases. Follow the steps properly, and you'll understand why this Amazon affiliate hack is so powerful. People who were struggling for months suddenly started earning daily commissions just by applying this secret Amazon loophole. The key is this isn't about tricking Amazon. It's about using their system the way it was designed, but smarter. Once you see it, you'll realize why so many affiliates fail. They miss what's right in front of them. I can't show everything here because it takes a full walkthrough to explain. That's why I've linked the presentation below. Watch it to see exactly how the secret Amazon loophole works, step by step. If you want to finally start seeing results with Amazon affiliate marketing without wasting time, effort, or money, click the link and watch the presentation. This Amazon affiliate hack is simple, fast, and effective. Once you understand it, every product, link, and purchase starts to make sense. People are quietly using the secret Amazon loophole to earn passive income every day. That edge could be yours too. Don't wait, click the link below, watch the walkthrough, and see how this method can change your results. Once you see it, you'll never look at Amazon the same way again.